All right, welcome to our next section where we're going to be talking about what makes something a function. Last time we talked about domain and range, which domain is all of typically our x values, our input values, and our range are our y values. So in order for something to be a function, the x values are paired with one y value. So this means that x cannot repeat. So if domain repeats, then it is not a function. So if you're just given a list of ordered pairs or like in a table, all you have to do is check the x values. If they repeat, it is not a function. The vertical line test is another way when we're looking at graphs that will determine that same thing. So the big thing is if a vertical line passes through more than one point on the graph is not a function. Okay, so those are our key things. That's why they're bold here. So a relation is not a function if the domain repeats, and if it passes the vertical line test, then it is a function. So let's go over these. So it says state if the relation is a function. So this is a yes or no question. All we are going to look at are our x values. So I just care about that first number in the ordered pair. So did I have any repeated numbers? I did not. So this is a function. Next one, I look at just my x values. We have a repeated 3. So this is no. It is truly that straightforward, that simple. So we're just going to look at our x's. If we have no repeats, then it is a function. If it does have repeats, then it is not a function. So like number 4, we have a repeating 5 value. So that one is not a function. Okay, our next one is the vertical line test. This is where we take any vertical line and we see if it passes through more than one point at a time. So since we just have single dots here, we can run and just do a quick test. Vertical line through all of our dots. It's only hitting one dot at a time. So yes, this one is a function. On a straight line, we established already that our domain was from negative infinity to positive infinity. That means just every number is represented. So again, this is going to pass the vertical line test. So this is a yes. Here, again, if we just take vertical lines on there, does it ever get to a point where it touches more than once? Yes, right here, right here. That would be on the same. And this has multiple points where it fails the vertical line test. So this one is not a function. Okay, number 8. If I were to take a bunch of vertical lines, again, do I hit it more than one point? No, I do not. So yes, this is a function. Number 9 is a vertical line itself. So that means if I take a vertical line and put it on a vertical line, it meets at every single point. So that means it is repeating all the time. So this one is definitely no. That's the ultimate fail of the vertical line test. And number 10 here, if we take vertical lines, cross those, we don't have any problems. So a straight horizontal line is a function. Okay, and that is it. Good luck.